Ryan Gass here, PTPGun.com, and today we're going to show you the field stripping of this Taurus TH9. So before we field strip any firearm, we want to double check, make sure the firearm is unloaded. And this firearm is actually ambidextrous, so it has the slide release and slide catch, however you want to say it. The safety and the magazine release, they're both on the left and the right side. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to hit the magazine release here by the trigger guard, drop the magazine out, set it to the side, double check the chamber and the magazine well, it's clear, we are good to proceed. So we're going to go ahead, we're going to send a slide home. We're going to hold the firearm like this. We're going to put the thumb through the tang of the grip and our hand is going to come up over the sights. We're going to pull that slide back just a little bit. And this takedown lever, it's the same on both sides. We're gonna take my thumb on one side, my middle finger on the other, I'm gonna pull down on that piece, let go, right? And the slide is gonna come right off. Now from here, we are done with the frame when it comes to field stripping. So we're gonna take that, set it to the side. The slide assembly, we're gonna have it upside down. We're gonna take the spring and spring guide, we're gonna compress it just a little bit, we're gonna pull it up and out. Set that to the side as well. The barrel, we're gonna push it up and pull it out. And we're going to set this aside. And now we have our slide, our barrel, our spring and spring guide, as well as our frame. And now the firearm has now been field stripped. You can do any type of cleaning or maintenance you might need to do to the firearm. We're going to go ahead and proceed back into reassembly though. It's going to be the same thing but in reverse. So we're going to take our slide upside down, barrel upside down. We're going to drop the muzzle in first, lock into this place. The barrel is going to protrude out, the muzzle is going to protrude out about 1 millimeter or 2. That's perfectly normal. Spring and spring guide, on this, it's much like the Gen 4, Gen 5 Glocks where it has a longer, fatter end and a shorter, skinnier end. The longer, fatter end is going to go towards the muzzle and it's going to go in there first, all right? And then we're going to compress the spring just a little bit. It's going to rest inside that lug. Now we're going to take the frame and the slide right side up. We're going to insert these metal rails on the frame into the slide cutout in the bottom rear end of the slide. Insert that in. We're going to pull it back, keep it matching up. And now what we're going to do is we're going to lock it back with our slide catch. All right, we're going to lock it back. All right, and then it's good to go. From here, we're going to go ahead and do a function check on the firearm though to make sure that we put it back together properly. So we're going to pull back that slide and let go. We're going to go ahead and pull the trigger. We're going to let go of the trigger. We're going to pull back and let go. We're going to pull the trigger again. We're going to pull back, let go. We're going to pull the trigger. We're going to hold the trigger to the rear. And then we're going to, while holding it to the rear, we're going to pull the slide back, let go, release the trigger until you hear and or feel that click. That means the trigger's now been reset. We're going to pull the trigger to the rear again, pull back, let go, hear and feel that click. We're going to let go all the way. And because this firearm has a safety, we're going to engage the safety. All right, we're going to try to pull the trigger. We're going to pull back and let go. It's not going to come back because the safety is engaged. And again, we're going to pull that trigger and it's operating properly. Pull that slide back and let go. And now you have field stripped and reassembled your Taurus TH9. For more videos on how to field strip your firearm, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notifications bell. Also, drop down in the comments and let me know what firearms you would like to see field stripped, and we will do those videos as well. We're going to be posting field stripping videos every Friday. Thank you all again, stay safe, remember to train, defend, and ultimately prevail.